Button. If y'all just coming to the live, hit the like and subscribe button. Yeah, man, road to 2K right now. You know what I'm saying? 2K is 10K. But yeah, man, I jump right in the track. You know, this is Valiant, North Carolina right now. We're live and we're lit. You know what I'm saying? Energy there. Don't miss out on the lives. You don't want to miss the lives. You know what I'm saying? This is Valiant, North Carolina. Let's get it.
Yo, Kwandan. We big up the whole like Jack Academy. Burn Savannah. Savlamar. Yo, Negril. Kingston. Spain Town. Portmore. Yo, Mandeville. 100 million or nothing for Jordan. From you looking at me, I know I'm a charger.
Easy to my, yo, I ain't gonna lie. This was a well-made song. I see why people gravitate to a Valiant and this song, man. You can tell this man been singing and making music for a long time, cause nigga got vocals. You know what I'm saying? Nigga got the vibe, everything, the pitch, everything is just like, you know what I'm saying? And listen to this beat, bro. You hear the piano and shit, now that shit? Yeah.
Oh, me and them girl in a me house, I drink any Sierra rum. I'm wearing jeans and my shoes are Gucci, have the shirt for proving. Them boy they are newbie, I'm a bitch, them bougie, I'm a lifestyle, a movie. G-League don't talk. Exhaust on the muffler.
Easy. Oh, me can't hold a vibe. It's too late. I'm chilling. Easy. Hold on. Y'all about to get me my vibe right now. You know what I'm saying? Y'all about to get me my vibe right now. You see me? Yeah, man, that song about man. Valiant, the man put something in a tune, man. I feel like this man goes to the entire, bro. The man goes to the whole way and we don't even know. You see me? The man put crack in the music, bro. No joke. You see me, man, put drums to that music, man. You hear that? Yo, you hear the beat, dog? Everything pan pint, bro. You know, listen. Oh no, I'm getting mad pan the live. That go on. Yeah? Huh? Yeah, I heard it before. I told you this is gonna be a review, cause I already heard this one before. You know what I'm saying? And I said, damn, I can't believe I didn't do a reaction to it yet. You know what I'm saying? So this is a vibe. So this is a review on this one. The man did crazy. This is a review. This one is not a reaction. This one is a review. But you requested this one because we're chilling and we're doing so, you know, yeah. I can't believe I didn't do a reaction on this one. I just checked my history and I didn't. I did a lot of songs from Valiant, but I didn't do this one. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? But we're doing it now on live. Big up there. But yeah, man, the man goes to the wall away, man. This tune not bad. Listen.
And I'm a science, I'm a go so strong. Paul just send some leads. I'm a buy a athlete and I never chat meat. Girl on the block at top freak and she see the top me, so you know what that means. Insane.
Girl up on the block at top freak and she see the top meat, you know what that mean? Eh?
Slide up, I'm a high low, no fear the high looks. Money there pile up, don't size up, yo can't broke.
Hey, that murder the tune, man. Me nah lie. That went crazy on the thing, man. It's a vibe. That song is a vibe, man.
100 million and nothing for Jordan.
That song make everybody feel rich. That's why it's more like it's on, you know.
Me and them girl in me house, I drink any Sierra rum.
Here we dog I say right now. Here dog I say right now. Here I go.
This color call me early morning, so me just reverse the mortgage. Yo, turn that down. My buck a skull from North Carolina. And someone hold him down with puzzle on my time up. My put him near him in a bowl in a giant up. Some little boy better know when I buy up. Yo, Kwandan, tell him talk facts, no rock cash. When the ground on the ground, make your girl pussy jump when you afraid of the clown.
We not afraid of no clown on here. I'm tell you, man, tell when the crown on the make your girl pussy jump. We not afraid.
Yo, Kwandan, tell them talk facts. slow rock cash. How we run uptown with the no round, with the no round. 100 million and full job done. From you looking at me, I know I'm a charge up. Me have them girl in my house, I drink and it's
Hey, dog, thing that. Yeah, Valiant a bad artist, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, dog deserve for the end there. Dog very hardworking and drop songs like rapid. Like how Cartel used to drop tune and them thing, man. You know what I mean? So that deserve for the end there. You know what I'm saying? For doing thing, man. Yeah, man, people. It's a vibe. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's a vibe. People, I like all the requests I've been sending out. You know what I'm saying? Like all the requests I've been saying. Any other songs y'all want me to do? Any songs I haven't heard? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We can't even review old songs. You know what I'm saying? We're chilling, we're vibing right now. The energy, you know? We're chilling. Tell me what go on with it. What's up with y'all? How y'all doing, man? How y'all even been going? How y'all week been going? How y'all weekend be going? The month, the year, how's life? Y'all been good? Y'all been enjoying the videos? Tell me what y'all want to see. Any improvements y'all want to see to the channel? You know, drop in the chat. Yeah, I heard that song before. Yeah, any improvements y'all want to see to the channel? You know, anything else y'all want to see? Any improvements? Anything?